Hi, my name's Theo Raymond, and today I'm going to talk to you about body psychotherapy. Body psychotherapy is a specialised form of therapy that works on the understanding that the mind and body are connected. So all of our experiences, our emotions, our struggles, they're all lived and felt through the body. Body psychotherapy is what's called an experiential therapy. And that means we're less concerned about telling a story about the past in a detached way and more about what's it like to tell that story now in the therapy room and what happens in our bodies as we tell it. By working with the body, we bring the less conscious aspects of ourselves into our awareness and hopefully supports us to move towards a greater sense of wholeness. So it can be a really enriching way of exploring who we are and who we want to be. In terms of what you might expect from a body psychotherapy session, let me tell you about what a session with me might be like. We normally start sitting in chairs, and at a certain point something might emerge that feels right to explore a bit more deeply. One of the things I really love about body psychotherapy is there's a real variety in ways that we can go about this exploration. We might use ways of expanding body awareness. We might use creative visualization. We might use drawing. We might get up and move around the room. Some clients like to lie down and really feel what's going on in their bodies. And we use this feeling as a way of deepening into the exploration. And some body psychotherapists, as I do, use biodynamic massage, which, if I put very simply, is a way of working that thinks, what's going on emotionally now and how do we meet that through touch? All clients will work differently, and part of the therapy process is finding the language of working that suits you best. So it's a creative, exploratory process that we collaborate on. And in terms of what body psychotherapy can help with, I think anyone who's looking for a deeper understanding of their emotions, their bodies, or the world around them can benefit from body psychotherapy. I think if you live with something like depression or anxiety, you'll be aware of a strong body component to that often. And I think body psychotherapy can be a really effective way of engaging with that. And body psychotherapy is well suited to working with trauma. Sometimes I think the things that have happened to us just don't have words to describe them, or maybe even happened before we had words. There's such a strong physical component to trauma, and it's only when we start working with the body that we can start to make sense some of those experiences and hopefully regain some of those parts that might have been lost to us. A final thing to say is that body psychotherapists in the UK have had extensive training. It takes at least 6 years to become a body psychotherapist. So when you're choosing your therapist, I suggest choosing someone who is UKCP accredited or a UKCP trainee. Thank you.